What is up, everybody? Welcome back to CD3 Picks, where we talk sports and give out free picks. So if you're interested in more content, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Also, if you're interested in my Instagram, my Twitter's where my VIP picks are, so message me there and we will get you set up. Let's get this NHL matchup between the Dallas Stars and the Tampa Bay Lightning. The Stars were in a great spot to make the playoffs, but now they're just absolutely blowing it. The Nashville Predators are sitting at 60 points, and the Stars are sitting at 56 points, so they're a little bit behind right now. But still, in the past few games, they have not shown that they want to make it to the playoffs. Currently in a 4-game losing streak, And then now they have to go to Tampa Bay for 3 games straight and try to at least grab one win against this Tampa Bay team, who we know is really good. 5-1 their last 6, 7-3 in their last 10 overall. Stars 5-5 in their last 10. I think the Lightning are just going to try to really put an emphasis on the Stars on this one. Try to just punch them in the mouth and get them out of here, because the Stars lose these next 3 or 2 games to the Lightning, it might be over with for them for the playoffs, because the Predators, they play the Blue Jackets tomorrow and they should beat the Blue Jackets. The Blue Jackets are one of the worst teams in the league, so they should win that with no issue. And I just think like I said, the Lightning are just going to come punch them in the mouth and tell them, nope, you're not making the playoffs. So for that reason, give me the Tampa Bay Lightning at home on the money line, and that's going to be my free pick. If you're interested in more content, please subscribe to this channel and like this video.